really like this one. I love the matted look on this. It looks so good. So here's a pumpkin coquette, and it's black. Register your product. Okay, the moment of truth. Oh wow, look at no scuffs either on this one. That's really nice. The moment of truth. Okay. Let's see. That's probably just gonna have to wipe. Oh, okay. Look at that. It wipes away. Look at that. Okay. Whew. This is so nice. Oh wow. This is really nice. I don't even know what I'm gonna use it for. It's my black pumpkin coquette. I have two others in the orange, and I really like this one. I love the matted look on this. It looks so good. I'm really happy with this one. I don't know if I'm gonna put soups in here or turn it into a candy jar or something, or dessert, kind of like charcuterie board. Could be kind of cute, but I'm really excited about this one.